back. We were away for a few months, but this time we are back with another plein air painting video, and we are at ARAI Tekdi, Pune.
It is one of our favorite spots in Pune. It's basically a hill, and we can trek up on it as well as take your bike up like we did today.
So a few days ago Chaitanya had been here, and there are a lot of pink blossoms, so that's when we thought we should be painting this. So
we're carrying our painting material in this box here, and we've tried to come as early as possible to catch the light, and we'll get to know how long we can paint here. So we have almost reached the quarry here, and we're going to go to the other side of the quarry. We noticed a spot where that could be a potentially nice composition, but we'll have to see. So this is the quarry, and I think we are going to go somewhere there. You can see a bunch of trees with these pink blossoms, so that's where we're heading. You guys might remember one of the paintings that Rucha had painted of this quarry. This one was painted from somewhere around here.
Chaitanya also had done an illustration of this place.
So this is the spot where we're going to be painting from, and let's see if we can see the pink flowers from here. I think, yeah, something like that. So I've got all my stuff here. The canvas panel, the acrylic paints, brushes, a pencil, of course some water to use with the paints, and my subject here. Okay, so I'm just done with the sketch. It's ready, and I just realized that we got all the stuff, but somehow we forgot the palette. So I'm going to use the box, the insides of this box, to mix the paint and use on the canvas to paint.
We deliberately chose a weekday to come here because it will be less crowdy, and it indeed is very calm here.
तू पण करतोस का पेंट? तुला आवडतं? काय काय करतोस तू? सगळं करतो. मस्त सिनरी पण करतो.
अजून पेनाने काढतो फक्त.
पेनाने
probably 5 minutes more to the sunset.
There's quite a lot to do now. I'm going to get to the main meat of the subject here. That is the pink blossom tree. But to do that, I have to go through the rest of the stuff.
You know what? It is looking really nice already.
Thank you. It's kind of the cherry on the top of the cake. This. I wish I could just hold that sun for a bit.
That's just one of the challenges of painting in nature.
Yeah. Always in race with time.
One such challenge we faced in Andaman. It was like I was sitting at this beach and there was a high tide and the water had almost reached me.
Yeah, I remember that.
If you're yet to watch our Andaman videos, do watch them. Just hoping it doesn't come here.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we were just worried that she might just come here and then want to graze around here. Fortunately, she did not turn up here, and we got enough time to do the painting. And so I'm done with the painting. I had a really good time doing it. It feels really good to be outdoors and painting, doing outdoor painting after a really long time. Feels fresh.
Been 10 months, I guess.
Yeah, since I think the last time.
It was in the month of March.
Yeah, that's also when Rucha painted Spring Blossom.
Do check out that video.
Yes, of course, on our YouTube channel where you are right now. And it really feels good to be outdoors without the mask for a bit. Fortunately, there weren't many people around, so we could take them off. We are going to put them back again. And do like our video if you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to our channel. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video very soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.